I moved to a new house in a new town. I'm sitting in my new office, which is quite chaotic at the moment. I'm very excited to be in this new chapter. Oh, a helicopter. But this video's not about that. It's about me going out with a camera to an airport and then to a mall parking lot. I hope you enjoy. Hi friends. I'm here at an airport this morning. Actually a playground that's attached to the side of the airport. It's pretty cool. And I'm gonna see if I can get some shots here. It is very slow and also very cloudy this morning. So that's one of the obstacles I'm dealing with, but it might be opportunity as well. I figured I'd come here and check this spot out for capturing purposes. Look at this. So here's the playground, and then you can walk out on this little taxiway. There's the airport runway goes right across there. How fun. And this is a little outlook point. It's like a little seating area. They have a sunshade for the benches that are made out of wings. How fun. Try and get that bird coming by. I have a plane parked right here for us to look at the details of. Ooh, ah, a Cessna. There's even a little cafe. I wonder if they have plane-shaped cookies. Oh, comes out. Maybe? I don't know. Why is this? I feel like this, is it just locked? This is what, I'm going the wrong way with it. Thinking I should switch my lens. They have a jet powering up over there. Those are fun. So there is activity. It's nice. Now I have some extra focal length, as you can see. See? Yeah? Look at the tower. And the plane, I suppose. Yeah, get this one in the middle here. Nice. Okay. Just looking around, trying to figure out. Alright, we'll come out a little bit to show some more planes. With the tower as a centerpiece. No, that plane's going by in the background. That's fun. We have a jet that might be taxiing soon. That's fun. And then we have a plane that might be taxiing soon, and that's fun. Just trying to, find assortments of planes with backgrounds. It's like I don't necessarily want to zoom in too much and just have a plane. I'm trying to make things work together, create a holistic scene, if you will. Okay, the jet is going to taxi. That will be fun to watch. Then we have this little guy going to taxi in the distance there. Okay, I'm gonna head back towards the outlook point. This is a very confusing gate for me for some reason. Oh, there we go. Okay. Ooh, I better go quick. That guy's about to go. Yeah, honestly, both of these are going to be up in the air by the time they get to this point. They lift off somewhere around in here, which makes sense. You generally don't want to take off at the end of the runway. We shall come right up to the fence here. Oh, yes. Look at this openness. This is fantastic. It's one of the things I appreciate about this airport is their fences aren't too high. Okay, I think this guy's coming down. Let's record him, shall we? I think it'd be fun to record him, assuming my it'll focus. All right, here he goes. He went out faster than the other guy. Cool. There he goes. I'm sorry if that's a little shaky, guys. I was tempted to zoom out as I was following him. But I know that would have been a jarring visual experience. So I was like, I'm gonna keep it where it's at, but it got pretty tight there. That was a fun handheld camera work practice experience. All right, now we have the little guy coming through. We'll see if we can make a photo out of this one. He's gonna lift off pretty early. Just going above the treetops there. Yeah, nothing terribly exciting. Let's get a close up. Oh no! Oh, that's, wow. That's a little bit of motion blur on that last one there. My shutter speed is at 1/100th of a second right now. It looks like it's adding a little bit of movement to the background, so that's nice. Okay, now we can get some planes in the tower from this angle. Oops. I like these planes in front of the hangar. I wish I could go a little bit to the right, but we'll give it a go. So this is fun. I just met a guy named Tyler. He works here at the airport, and he was very friendly. We had a conversation about how he wants to start making YouTube videos about what he does. And so we spoke about content creation a little bit. And then at the end, he said that he might be able to get me out on the airfield one day. And that sounds like fun. So we will see where that goes. So nice to meet you, Tyler. First stop, airfield. Next stop, in a plane. Next stop, in a fighter jet. And then finally we'll work our way up to the 747 or a Black Hawk or something, you know. I always enjoy the random interactions. We shall now relocate! So I've come around to the end of one of the runways here, and one of my hobbies is learning about plane crashes. And interesting story about this airport and this runway and this scene is that one time a plane rolled off the end of the runway here and went down there. There's actually an interesting video by the channel Pilot Debrief. He talks about the crash. And I always find it interesting to visit the spots where these things have happened. I have now come to an empty mall parking lot, and this looks interesting. Gotta get the donut tracks. Oh, now I want a donut. Total overcast today. If I had a Pro Mist filter on, it would be it would be hazy. With a mall, you never know exactly how long you're going to be able to linger, considering it is private property. It's a situation where I have the environment in place for interesting shots, but I don't have a subject to make them come together. Right, so if there was like a person or something right there, then that would work. Bards. Sounds like there's a bird party going on over here. Someone left their brake light. Onward! It is time for sustenance, and by sustenance I mean coffee. I've had my eye on this coffee shop lately, and so I want to give it a go. I think they're open. It says open. Cozy. The trusty cold brew. Not bad at all. Look at these pillows. It's good. Thank you, guys. Have a good day. Okay, I think I'll wrap the morning up there. We had some adventures. I got my coffee, which happens to be Cohesive, and now I'm going to head home. Okay, that's it. Just some good old-fashioned exploration with a camera. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, I would love to hear your thoughts down below, and if you would hit the like button, I would appreciate that. And if you want to subscribe because there was something about this video that just made your heart, feel a new feeling that you've never felt before, we could name it Jamestalgia. Anyway, please feel free to do that. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a lovely day. Goodbye.